Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get into today's vlog, I wanted to give a huge thank you to the sponsor of today's video, which is Dossier. So as you guys know, I've worked with them before. I absolutely love them. Dossier is able to give high quality, luxury inspired fragrances at literally half the price. It's so affordable. The scents are so amazing and they have such a huge variety. It gives you the freedom to kind of explore new scents without breaking the bank, because as y'all know, like I've said it before, I'm not someone who is big on paying a lot for perfumes, just because I like to have a ton and like switch out my scents, and I feel like you can find really good smelling ones that aren't that expensive. So I also love that Dossier has easy returns, so if you don't love a scent, you can always return it and try something new. I picked out two, and it's still summertime, so I kind of wanted to keep it with like the summery scents. So the first one I got is Aquatic Coconut. Again, look at the packaging. Like it's got a magnetic top. It's such an aesthetic bottle. Like just sitting on your counter just looks so cute. Yeah, this one is a very summery scent. I've never heard of Aquatic Coconut, but it's inspired by Maison Margiela Replica Beach Walk et du Toilette. I'll have it right here just so I probably mispronounced it. It's 18% concentration. It smells absolutely amazing. Like it's next scent. It also comes in this cute packaging. Very cute. And I love how it just kind of gives you like the detailing about the perfume. They go above and beyond. So I absolutely love working with them. So thank you so much, Dossier, for sponsoring this video. And then I got Oriental Oak Moss. Oh, I remember why I got this one. So this one is inspired by Chanel Coco Mademoiselle Eau de Parfum. I have gotten a sample of that from like Sephora and absolutely loved it. I love Chanel scents, but I'm not paying that much, so I absolutely love this. And I feel like they really get the scents spot on. Like this one, I don't know. For like a nice dinner, going to the park. I don't know, it just smells so good. I'm obsessed. I just smell bougie, but I didn't have to pay that really crazy price. So this is 50 milliliters. It's a lot for like 20-30 bucks. You get a lot of product for literally such an affordable price. So their scents range from like 29 to 39 versus having to pay 50 up to like 280 sometimes in designer scents. They're always adding new scents, so if you don't find one that you're crazy about, definitely keep checking because there's always new ones coming out, which I love. You can also use my discount code. I'll also have a link, and I'll have all the items down below so you can quickly snag. They also usually have like a lot of like bulk discount deals, so the more you buy, like a higher percentage you get off. They also offer free shipping, 3 or more bottles. Vlog, so we're gonna be showing behind the scenes. I'm currently right now at Posh PR shooting, and yeah, I'm gonna show you a little bit of the day, and then we'll get on with the rest of the video. The best part. Talk to me more than my real ones do. I never seem to be good enough for him or her or even you. They say it'll always get better, but I had no one to help me through. At the end, always a congratulations, but nowhere when I needed you. Let me show y'all my, oh wait, I can't even use music. I'll get copyrighted. All my time worried about you, it's getting old. I'm done with all these fake friends. I don't have time to pretend that you care about me when you don't. You treat me like I'm less than, so tell all of your new friends how I am the worst. Put on a show. I can't believe I got to write 20 songs about you.
just for you to leave. I was so sad just staring at my phone. Now I'm glad you're gone, I'd rather be alone. So
alright guys, so outfit number 2 is this bathing suit. Very cute. Obviously I can't turn around, but guys, this place is literally so cute. Oh, hello.
Do your thing.
And then it's got like a matching scrunchie. It's just this, I guess, coral red tie-dye. It's actually from Amazon. If I can find it, I'll have it linked down below. Oh Lord, my camera keeps breaking.
tell me what you want, tell me what you need. Tired of trying just for you to leave. I was so sad just staring at my phone. Now I'm glad you're gone, I'd rather be alone. I can't believe I got to write 20 songs about you to make you just have a clue. All the shit you put me through. Call you a penny, call you a penny, call you a penny in the freezer. Call you a penny, call you a penny, call you a penny in the freezer. No, 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 no. It's time to let it go. Yeah, it's time for me to go over you.
Pierce.
'Cause I'm fine, yeah, I'm done over you. Don't miss me like you should. Said I'm done, da, 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 My friends on the internet talk to me more than my real ones do. I never seem to be good enough for him or her or even you. They say it'll always get better, but I had no one to help me through.
Right, hi guys, it is actually another day. So last you saw was my photo shoot. I had to go back to work after that, so I just didn't get a chance to film the rest of the day, and I didn't want to just like the vlog to just be the photo shoot. So I'm gonna take you with me to the gym, but I quickly wanted to show you a little PR package I got from Beginning Boutique. They have such cute stuff, and they were like, do you want some stuff? I was like, yes I do. They sent me this really cute emerald green top. Now, as y'all know, I love emerald green. I think it's like the prettiest color, and it's just this like tie front crop top with some little, what kind of sleeves are these? Puff sleeves? I don't really know. Yeah, it's just like an off the shoulder, and then you tie it. Very cute. I saw this color and was like, oh my, because I don't normally like tops like that. I just feel like they don't look as cute on me, but I saw this color and I was like, I need it. And for fall, this would be so cute with like some black denim jeans. And then they sent me this two-piece set. It's just this pink skirt. It's like this linen material. It zips in the back, and then it comes with this like wraparound halter top, I think is how you describe it. You know, the top that everyone's wearing this summer. My least favorite style top. I just don't think it flatters me. But yeah, I can style this different ways, which is why I got it. I was like, this is so cute. I love pink. I love sets. I'll probably bring this with me to Charleston. So I was like, yeah, why not? Okay, so I'm getting ready for the gym. I've been taking this like super carb raspberry lemonade the past, I want to say like 4 or 5 workouts. Honestly, I don't know what it does, but fingers crossed it gives me good like big quads. But yeah, you just basically drink it similar to like a BCAA, where you drink it during your workout. This flavor is really good, but so far no like drastic results.